machine, I will promise to love, honor, and keep you polished and clean. Oil, grease, all you can eat if you will turn my satin and silk into sugar and salt,
butter and milk, and maybe a toy. A baby should have a toy.
You have suffered neglect, unloved, maybe before, not anymore. We need you if we're to make both ends meet. Do you know what you are, dear sweet sewing machine? You'll come to me, our own samovar, pots,
Pans,
blankets and sheets,
cabbage and beets,
corn,
raisins and dates,
plum,
pears,
pitchers and plates,
tables and chairs,
and farther away, a room of our own someday. What if your second hand scratched,
worn?
you're still the best we've ever seen. So welcome, sewing machine, to